There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2022 Chrysler 300 Touring L in granite crystal metallic. With adaptive bi-xenon HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, remote start system, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 36,000 miles in the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, heated second row seats, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number 910888.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory-backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.